Okay, good morning students. In this video I am going to explain for you result into direction. In the previous video I am explained for you result in magnitude, and in this video I am going to explain for you result into direction. The previous video result in magnitude is what? R bar. Mod R bar we are finding in the previous video. Mod R bar is equal for us came as under root of p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Now we are going to derive the expression for the direction of resultant vector, that is alpha. So whatever for the resultant magnitude and the resultant direction, we have to utilize the triangle is this one COD. This triangle we have to utilize it. Whatever be for the resultant magnitude, we are utilizing this triangle COD, and also for the direction also we are utilizing the triangle is COD. So CO and D, that means here is a AD is A and is a C is a O and this is a C. OD is equal to OA plus AD. Here is from this diagram, OA is P bar and AC is Q bar and OC is R bar, and the angle at COD is equal to, otherwise COA as a direction as alpha. So COD at a point O is taken as alpha. This one we are going to derive. Alpha is equal what? This is the direction. Alpha is indicates the direction. We are going to finding alpha is equal to what? To find this alpha, you have to use the formula is the trigonometry is tan. So tan alpha is equal what? Simple. We have to know the trigonometry formula. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That's why what happened here is by utilizing this sin theta is equal opposite side by hypotenuse, we are getting the this one is AC sin theta, and for the cos theta, when the formula is utilized, then you get the adjacent side by hypotenuse, then AC cos theta, and here is AC sin theta. Opposite side is came sin theta, you have to utilize it. Adjacent side is came cos theta is utilized, and hypotenuse you can multiply it with the hypotenuse. Adjacent side is multiplied with the hypotenuse, otherwise opposite side also multiplied with the hypotenuse, then you will get the AD and CD. I will explain this one is properly in the previous video. Now we are going to explain for the resultant direction using this parallelogram law of vectors. By utilizing the triangle is what? COD. So COD triangle, here is alpha is making, then what happened? This is a tan alpha, then tan alpha is equal what happened? That this is C and this is O, this is D. Tan alpha, tan means opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. అంటే ఎదురు భుజము బై ఆసన భుజం, అంతేనా ఫార్ములా. tan alpha means opposite side by adjacent side. Just you have to utilize the formula. Then tan alpha is equal to opposite side. Alpha ki opposite side ఏముంది? Here is this is CD. The CD is the opposite side. CD is the opposite side. Then tan alpha is equal CD by what is the adjacent side? This is OD. OD is the adjacent side. CD by OD. But what is OD? OA plus AD. But what is OD? CD is equal to OA plus AD. OD is equal to OA plus AD. Now just you have to just simply substituting in this place the formulas, and what is there in the place of this side, what is the vectors is there, just simply substitute, you will get the answer of the direction. See here from the diagram, in the right angle triangle ODC, tan alpha is equal to CD by OD. Tan alpha is equal to CD by OD. CD is the opposite side, OD is the adjacent side, but OD is equal to OA plus AD. So this OD, in the place of OD you have to substitute this OA plus AD, then tan alpha is equal to CD by OA plus AD. Now we go for the just substituting in the place of CD is equal what, in the place of OA is equal what, in the place of AD is equal what, you will get the tan alpha. You will get the tan alpha. In the place of CD is what? In the place of CD, what is in the place of CD? See here, in the place of CD is what, nani? AC sin theta. In the place of CD is what? AC sin theta. So in the place of CD you will written as AC sin theta. The place of CD is AC sin theta. In the place of OA place లో OA ని రాయండి. In the place of AD, what is in the place of AD? What is in the place of AD? In the place of AD is what? AC cos theta. In the place of AD is what? AC cos theta. In the place of AD you have to write AC cos theta. Then tan alpha is equal to, the place of CD is AC sin theta by OA. In the place of OA you can write OA only, plus in the place of AD is what? AC cos theta. Why? Because AD is adjacent side, that's why AC cos theta. CD is opposite side, then AC sin theta. ఇది ఎలా వచ్చింది? CD AD ఏ విధంగా వచ్చిందంటే, see here in the right angle triangle ADC, ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ నుంచి, the right angle triangle ADC, from this triangle only this small triangle, from only this small triangle we will get the answer of the AD and CD. See here AD ఏ విధంగా వచ్చింది చూడండి. cos theta ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది? adjacent side by hypotenuse, AD by AC. మనకి AD కావాలి కదా, AD ఈక్వల్ ఏమవుతుంది? AC cos theta. అదేవిధంగా sin theta ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది? CD by AC. మనకి CD కావాలి కదా, CD ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు AC sin theta. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ ఫ్రమ్ this triangle ADC, only ADC triangle. From the ADC triangle we will get obtained the formulas for AD and CD. And but whatever for our expressions we have to utilize it, must and should this triangle. The main triangle is we have to utilize it. This COD triangle we have to utilize it. This one we have to utilize it. We have to utilize this triangle. For the expression for resultant magnitude and direction you have to utilize this COD triangle. Then tan alpha is equal AC sin theta by OA plus AC cos theta. But what is AC? The formula of AC is equal what? Q. అంటే AC ప్లేస్లో Q రాయండి. వాట్ ఈజ్ OA ప్లేస్లో P రాయండి. బట్ మనకేం కావాలి? ఆల్ఫా మాత్రం కావాలి. అప్పుడు ఈ ట్యాన్ని రైట్ సైడ్ పంపించండి. ఏమవుతుంది? మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ కాస్త ఇన్వర్స్ ఫంక్షన్గా మారుతుంది. అంటే ట్యాన్ ఆల్ఫా ఎప్పుడైనా సరే మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ని మనము ఇంకొక సైడ్కి పంపిస్తే అది ఎలా మారుతుంది? మనకి ఇన్వర్స్ ఫంక్షన్గా మారుతుంది. అంటే మనం 1/tan అని రాయొద్దు. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 1/tan ఏమని రాయాలి? tan ఇన్వర్స్ అని రాయాలి. అంటే tan ఆల్ఫా ఇలా ఉందనుకోండి, దిస్ సైడ్ tan ఆల్ఫా రాస్తున్నాం మనం. tan ఆల్ఫా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సంథింగ్, అంటే సమ్ ఎక్స్ ఉంది. tan ఆల్ఫా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ సమ్ ఎక్స్. మనం ఓన్లీ ఆల్ఫా కావాలంటే ఆల్ఫా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు x/tan అని రాయొద్దు. అప్పుడు ఎలా రాయాలంటే దిస్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ రాయాలి. tan inverse of x we written as like this. So in the place of x is what is there? Alpha is equal to tan inverse. This tan is coming to the right side, then tan inverse of q bar sin theta by, in the place of OA is P and AC is q sin theta by P plus q cos theta. This is the way we are going to derive the expression for direction of resultant vector alpha. Students, please read and practice and watch the video of the resultant magnitude and resultant direction of the vector. This is the most important essay question. Please practice carefully. Just only two things only you have to understand. For the resultant magnitude and direction we have to utilize the triangle is COD. We have to utilize the triangle is COD. This is only our main thing for us for the derivation. But whereas this small CAD is only to find out only to obtain what is to find the AD and to find the CD. How to find the AD and CD, for that only the triangle is utilized for. And another one is you have to know about the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is what? Karnamu square is equal Bhujamu square plus Bhujamu square. Otherwise square of the hypotenuse is equal to square of the adjacent side square plus square of the opposite side square. And another formula sin theta, when you are using the sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, అంటే ఎదురు భుజము బై కర్ణం. cos theta ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది? ఆసన్న భుజము బై కర్ణం, adjacent side by hypotenuse. And in case of direction we are coming as alpha, tan alpha is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, ఎదురు భుజము బై ఆసన్న భుజం, అంటే tan alpha is equal to CD by OD. CD by OD రాసేస్తున్నాం మనం. OD ప్లేస్లో OA ప్లస్ AD డయాగ్రామ్ నుంచి ఇప్పుడు ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఏది ఉందో మనం జస్ట్ సింపుల్గా డయాగ్రామ్ చేసి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. సిడి ప్లేస్లో ఏసీ సైన్ టీటా, ఓఏ ప్లేస్లో ఓఏ, ఏడి ప్లేస్లో ఏసీ కాస్ టీటా అలా రాసి మళ్ళీ ఏసీ ప్లేస్లో ఏమని రాయొచ్చు మనం క్యూ బార్, ఏసీ అంటే క్యూ బార్, ఓఏ అంటే పీ బార్, ఇవి రెండు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ట్యాన్ని రైట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే ట్యాన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఫంక్షన్గా మారుతుంది. సో ట్యాన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ క్యూ సైన్ టీటా బై పీ ప్లస్ క్యూ కాస్ టీటా ఈజ్ ద ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఫర్ ది డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది రిజల్టెంట్ వెక్టర్. Please practice very well because this is the most important essay question in your internal examination. Thank you very much for watching this video.